In today's video, I'll guide you on how you would be able to invite your friends in Clash Royale. So let's get started. So first is that you want to open your app and from here log into your account and make sure that you are done with the tutorial phase because if not, then you wouldn't be able to use the social features, which is adding friends. Once you're done or you completed all those conditions, tap on the friends icon right here at the top, just below or just beside the menu icon. And then here in the social, you can see friends. And then we have our invite button right here, which is invite friend. Tap on it. And all that's left now is to send them this link. And then when they click your link that you have sent, then they will now be able to receive your invite. And then you will now be friends here in Clash Royale. So yeah, you just need to go for that link, share that, and then when they open that here, then you'd be able to get friends with them or connect. You could also do this, connect to Supercell ID and play with friends across Supercell games. So you can tap here on connect at the bottom. In here is that you would need a Supercell ID or Supercell account. So tap here on get sorted. And from here, you can click on create a new ID. If you don't have one, tap on continue. And then you would need to undergo this process right here. So you would need to verify and then you'd get your player ID and that is what you will be able to use to get in touch or get connected with your friends. So yeah, this is basically it on how you could do this here in Clash Royale. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.